Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to recover permanently deleted files from Google Drive. Okay, guys, if you have deleted your file from Google Drive by mistakenly, or if you want to recover it, so you can recover it. There is a process you have to follow. So let's start with the video. So here I am on my Google Drive. So first, I suggest you go to the trash and check whether the file has moved there. So if you find file in trash folder, just click on it and you can recover it. Just click on right and you can restore it, will be restored. Okay, so if your file has been deleted permanently from trash also, so there is a way you can follow. So go to the files, go to the helps, and here you can choose this option, delete and restore the file in Google Drive, or you can search this option here, click on it. Now just check whether, just scroll down, just read all the information as given here. Now go to the contact us. There were one option before COVID, chat option over there, but because of COVID there is a only contact us option. Okay, you, if you see chat option, you can chat also. Now you have to log in with same email ID. Just log in with your same email ID. Now this option will be open, recover file recovery option. There is a email ID show, your email ID here show. There is a another others information you have to read carefully. You have to check email ID, or you can switch account if you don't recognize your email ID. Now this is your first name last name. Check your first name last name properly. Just click on it and submit. So it is allow your Google, you allow to Google attempt to record your file. So you will receive email once you file recovered. So maybe possibilities is 90% help for you or work for you, or maybe not. So just try this option if you have, if you deleted file permanently. So this is only one option left to recover your permanently deleted file from Google Drive. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.